How's it going, YouTube? There's one thing that I really wish I had more of, and that's time. But like usual, I've got none spare, but I want to do a quick video for you guys today. Over the last year, there's been one thing on every video that always gets a comment on something I should buy, and I've bought it. But we're not going to have a look just yet, we've got some other things to do first. Over here I've got a box.
So I've come to that conclusion.
Got some 60mm wheel spacers that I've had made. These are machined to your spec. These took 2 weeks to come. 4x100 obviously with the nuts, 54.1 centre bore, 54.1 on the back, and they're actually really nicely made. 60mm spacers, these, quite big. Right, that's why we're fitting them. As you can see there, we're still in them quite a bit. These are 45mm that's on there at the minute, so that 60mm should take them out nice. We'll get those on and have a look. Alright, there's the new ones on. It actually turns out that they're 50mm, not 45. I was sure they was 45, so I'm only 10mm more on those. Bugger. Hopefully it should look good anyway. We'll have a look now with the wheel on, see if it makes a good difference. Right, here's a before shot. Before. Right, I probably could have done with that extra 5mm, but it's definitely much better. Let's have a look around the back. Right, that's sat much better, that is now. And let's compare it to the other side. There, you see, compared it to the other side and the wheel's still under. Right, let's get the other side on. Right, there's the other side done. That's perfect. A lot better. Right, next job, I've got a load of polishing to do. I'm not really going to video it because I've not got time. I've got a show tomorrow, so I've got to get this car ready for that. I will be recording that show, so at some point that video will be coming online. I know it's only a short video today, but let's have a look at this bit I've bought, shall we? I was going to do a full video on picking it up, painting it, fitting it and everything else, but again, like usual, I didn't have time. Let's have a look. Right, so there we are. I've bought a hardtop. Everybody's been saying it constantly, it needs a hardtop, and I agree. The style of the car doesn't suit a soft top anymore. It needed a hard top. I need to do this bit round here grey as well, so it matches. That's black at the minute, and then it'll flow through grey all across the top. As you can see, I've painted this the same grey as that. It's the Indium grey from Volkswagen, and that, honestly, that does look a lot better now. Right, I've got a Milwaukee DA polisher, Cartec Diamond Cut 3000 that I'm going to use to flat it with, so I'm going to get on with that. I'm not really going to talk about it or anything. I'll add a few little videos in while I'm doing it, but that's about it. I'll see you guys when it's clean.
Conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this mazeland and run. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder, so I can be free. So I've come to that conclusion. I'm just one man amongst thousands. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer to that light. Let me go under the water till I can breathe. Let me go up.
got another set of the badges that I used to have on. This is the 30th anniversary MR2 badge replica. Thanks Ian. They're off of MR2 Gel Badge Facebook group. I'll put a link in the description for that. Check them out. That TRD badge is also from them. Got some funky decals from japworks.net. Check these guys out. I'm on the Facebook group for these. And that'll do for today. It looks loads better with that hardtop on, doesn't it? I know this was only a quick video, but I've not got a lot of time today, so I hope you guys appreciate it. Like the video if you like it, obviously. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.
Please strike me thunder. Let me get closer to them. Please strike me thunder. The light can be great. So I've come to that conclusion.